Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the Brawl Stars to rank every legendary brawler from worst to best. So this ranking is based on their current performance in the meta as of January 2025. So now let's get started. So at the bottom of our list or our top 9 is Chester. Chester's unpredictable attack patterns can be challenging to master, making him less reliable in high-stakes matches. Next, our top 8 is Kit. Kit offers a unique support capabilities but lacks the versatility and damage output of other legendary brawlers. Next is Cordelius. Cordelius boasts high damage and speed, but his reliance on the Shadow Realm mechanic can be situational. Next, our top 6 is Crow. Crow's poison damage and agility make him a formidable assassin, though he struggles against high health opponents. Next, our top 5 is Spike. So Spike's high damage output and area control are valuable, especially when utilizing his gadgets and star powers effectively. Next, our top 4 is Sandy. Sandy's Sunstorm Super provides excellent team utility, offering invisibility and area control during engagements. Next is Amber. Amber's continuous damage and area denial with her flammable puddles make her a strong controller in various game modes. Our top 2 is Draco. Draco's high health and long-range electric beam allow him to excel as a tank, dealing significant damage from a distance. And our top 1 is Meg. Meg stands at the top with her ability to transform into a powerful mech, offering versatility and dominance in battles. And that is our ranking of every legendary brawler in Brawl Stars. Keep in mind that the meta evolves and individual playstyles can influence each other brawler's effectiveness. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.